Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Docs in a supported browser, because voice typing relies on browser speech APIs. Once done, grant microphone access when prompted. Otherwise, the mic button stays disabled. Make sure your microphone is selected in OS and browser settings, and test audio quickly by recording. Then, click Tools and choose Voice Typing, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to reveal the microphone icon. This starts the live recognition pipeline, so you'll see words appear as you speak and can adjust pacing immediately. With the mic active, you control recognition by clicking to start and stop. Speak in short phrases, pause 1 to 2 seconds between thoughts, and the engine will segment sentences more accurately. Use verbal punctuation, say period, comma, or new paragraph, to format text without touching the keyboard. If your accent causes errors, switch the language or dialect from the mic menu, and when dictating multi-speaker notes, insert speaker labels manually after each pause to keep the transcript readable. Finish by proofreading the dictated text for homophones, capitalization, and line breaks, because voice systems confuse words that sound alike. Once satisfied, you can edit with the keyboard or continue dictating corrections. Use File Download to export the document or share to collaborate in real time. If recognition degrades, try a quick troubleshooting step. Reduce background noise, confirm microphone drivers and permissions, restart the browser, and reselect the mic. That single reset often restores accurate transcription quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.